Drago loves science, so Glitter has set her the challenge of experimenting with something that sparkles. So Drago, what is our experiment today? Drago's glitter foam!
To make our glitter foam, you will need a bowl, green glitter and food colouring, washing up liquid, bicarbonate of soda, vinegar, yum yum, and a spoon. The first thing I'm going to do is add the vinegar to the bowl. Just like this. Now I'm going to add the washing up liquid too. Now Drago is green, so I'm going to add green glitter along with a big spoonful of green food colouring. In it goes. Now give it a big mix like this. Keep on stirring until it's all mixed up together. Looking good. Now for the scientific part. I'm going to add my bicarbonate of soda. When I add this and give it a stir, it should begin to fizz up and expand, which means it will get bigger and bigger. Wow! And there we have it, cheeky monsters. Our scientific experiment is complete.
Wow! Look how foamy and glittery it is. Ooh. That was amazing. Oh, thanks, cheeky monster Drago. And I hope you enjoy doing this experiment at home too.
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?